today I am styling this 26-inch silky straight wig over here. Well, let me move the camera a little closer. Okay, so I am going to style and cut some layers into this 26-inch silky straight wig over here. Let me grab my wig for the day. Hello, thank you for watching. We are live here at Magic Hair Company wig store located in Culver City, California. You can also find our wigs on our website, magichaircompany.com. That's the only place you can find our wigs. Okay, where's the wig I took off something out? This wig right here that I'm putting on is wig number 801. It's been very popular this season. It is a 16-inch silky straight front lace wig with some chunky highlights, as you can see. If you're new to our wig show, all of our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com. Click the link in the bio, subscribe to our channel. Okay, guys, I just ordered a Tesla. I'm so excited. But yes, so what was I saying? Oh, all of our wigs are available at on our website, magichaircompany.com. So every wig that I put on today will have a 3-digit wig number. And if you'd like any more information on the wigs that I mentioned, go head over to our website and type those 3 digits in the search, and then you can order that wig. We currently have free domestic shipping, so anywhere in the United States, there's no additional charge for shipping. And we do currently have in-store pickup available anytime during our current business hours of, let me pull this back. I don't have my mirror, so I'll just use the camera. Our current business hours are Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. And we, of course, have international shipping. So this is wig number 801. So if you'd like any more information on her, this is wig number 801. She's cute. We're located here in Culver City, California. I need them to fix their car. Thank you, sir. Trying to hit on my video. We're located in Culver City, California. We're a USA-based wig store. Yes, we're Black owned. I'm the owner. We have hundreds of wigs in stock here, as you can see behind me. So if you're new to wearing wigs, or you are a seasoned wig wearer, come shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. Come try on a wig, make sure the wig fits you perfect. And one of the benefits of shopping with us is we have an in-store wig colorist, so we can color your wig for you. 95% of the color you see behind me was done here in store. So you can have a color consultation, and we'll customize the wig for you. We'll make sure it fits you properly. We'll make sure you know how to take on and off the wig. We want to make sure you know how to wear the wig. So let us know if you have any questions, and styling is included. So if you want us to cut some layers, like if you wanted a little more layering in the front of this wig here, or if you wanted some bangs cut, because you can cut bangs into any of our wigs. So you see with this, of course, we cut this lace off. We cut this lace off before you wear it. So that's just how the wig looks in store. You can freely part this in a lot of different places. Let me do a better job. Well, but you can, let me not part this right here, but You can part this in a lot of different places. Really soft, really beautiful. You can definitely add a curl. And the wig I'm currently working on is a 26-inch silky straight wig. As usual with all of our wigs, when we first get them, we wash them in our shampoo and conditioner that you can find on our website. And then we let it air dry. So when it air dries, it has a slight wave to it, and we're just flat ironing that out here. We can, of course, add some curls into this. And you see it doesn't take much to, well, we're just kind of getting the kink out. So it's just a little bit of texture there. We do have some new cute short wigs coming up this week. Let me see if I can grab one. Actually, let me switch my wig. Oh, here it is right here. So we have unit number 800 coming up. She's cute. Unit number 800. So if you like her, head on over to our website, plug in number 800. This is the color. She has a little bit of brown on her. A cute little taper in the back. This is unit number 800, available at magichaircompany.com. So yeah, we're definitely open here. We take walk-ins. We prefer that you make an appointment just so that we can clean the station down in between clients and make sure we don't have too many people here all at the same time. But we are open. Our store is open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Somebody is here, somebody won't answer the phone. If you want to call and talk to somebody, our phone number is 310-558. Ooh, that's a cute car. Our phone number is 310-558-0181. That is the phone number if you want to call and talk to somebody. Let me show you guys this little kinky straight wig since it's here. Hopefully you didn't just see me looking crazy. Okay, so we have some 10-inch kinky straight wigs coming to our website next week. This is unit number 802. So if you're looking for a shorter kinky straight option, that is available for you as well. You know that we do custom coloring here in store, so if you want kinky straight with a little bit of color, we can do that for you as well. And you see how full this is at the end? So I've just flat ironed just a little piece of this, but you see, this is still full here. That is one of the benefits about getting quality hair with us. You'll see all of our hair is full to the ends. And that's just a little piece in the back. So if our hair was stringy, it would definitely show right now as I'm flat ironing a small piece in the back. So if you want a quality wig with quality hair, quality construction, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We have an actual, let me take bigger chunks of this hair because I know it doesn't need too much work done. If you are looking for a quality wig store that's Black owned, I only have 100% human hair available. I don't sell any cheaper synthetic hair. My wigs are meant to be worn every day. These are not single use wigs. And we have a physical retail store located here in Culver City, California. So if you're looking for some quality hair that's going to always be great quality, it's not going to get hard or thin out or just start looking like a rat's nest, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. Give me about 1 second and I will turn her around so you can see her hairline. Again, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. There's no other place online you can find our wigs. We get calls from people saying they bought our wigs on Amazon, or from some places said we were having a sale for 90% off and our wigs are $50. Our wigs are 100% human hair, so they will never be available for $50. We try to have the best prices for what we're offering, and we offer the best quality there is. I want to go do some karaoke. Let me know if you guys have any questions. We are currently still having our Mother's Day sale. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. So I'm going to finish this in about 3 chunks over here. I'm really just knocking the kink out, so not too much flat ironing that needs to be done here. Okay, I have 2 more pieces here in the front, and then I'll spin her around, show you guys the hairline over here. We do have parking right in front of the store. If you guys are wondering what I'm looking at over there, there's always people walking around, sometimes staring at me. This is a 26-inch front lace wig, and let me see, she is $1,200. We are currently having a sale. The discount is applied online. There's no code needed. Hello, give me 1 second to grab my mask.